And we should focus through the Bihar SIR hearing that is underway in the top court, where the Supreme Court has wrapped political parties for inaction. The top court has said that it is surprised at the inaction of political parties. Supreme Court has also asked, what are the agents and parties doing? That's the primary question that is being asked by the top court as they pull up political parties over inaction or missing Bihar voters. They've also gone on to say that the Election Commission, which is conducting the SIR of electoral rolls in Bihar, said that none of the major political parties have filed any objection or complaints despite public criticism. Let me take this to my colleague Shrishti Ojha, who continues to stay with us from outside the top court, getting us details of the top court pulling up political parties in this matter.
Well, yes, the top court today shifted its focus to the role of political parties as far as this entire process of SIR in Bihar is concerned. As we know, the Election Commission of India, after court's earlier directions, had filed a status report before the court stating that it has complied with the court's directions and published a list of the 65 lakh voters who have been left out of the draft roll on the websites as was directed by the top court. And today's hearing, we saw the court questioning how many of the 12 recognized parties in Bihar are before court and what are the parties exactly doing in terms of helping those who have grievances or who have wrongfully been left out of the draft roll. We saw the top court remark that it is surprised at the inaction of the political parties and also at the booth level agents and what the booth level agents were doing on ground level, who have these agents who have been appointed by several political parties. Now, the Election Commission of India today told court that there are 90,000 booths and they never put any upper limit on the number of booth level agents that can be appointed by the political parties. The ECI questioned that the political parties can appoint as many agents as they wanted to help people, but why have they not done it yet? ECI also said that as far as aggrieved persons are concerned, if the booth level agents file even 10 forms on a daily basis, in 4 to 5 days the entire process would be completed. The court also said that while the first right remains with the person aggrieved, the political parties can and their booth level agents can intervene. The court pointed out at the rural areas culture where the political workers at ground level would be the best persons to interact with these local people who have issues. The court has questioned why is there this distance between the local people, the voters and the political workers that have been on the ground level, on the local level as far as different districts of Bihar is concerned. There were also several objections that have been raised by the petitioners today during the hearing with regard to whether or not the ECI is accepting Aadhaar card when these 65 lakh aggrieved people or persons out of those 65 lakh people are approaching with their claims, with their objections. The court is as of now dictating its order, and it will be important to see if any further directions are passed, because the court has made itself very clear. Its concern as of now are these 65 lakh persons who have been left out of the draft roll. The concern is that the rights of these people, the voters, should be protected. Back to you.
Getting us the latest, we'll keep coming back to you for further updates.